Okay, ready, get set, go!
This is the trick. Inanananggal ko na parang may bakit na lang.
Like a diaper. Sige lang. Dito ako sa kabila.
Ayaw mo yan! Uy, Chris! Halingin mo! Halingin mo! Look at this! Grabe si Wes eh! Ang galing sumupsop!
Okay, ready, get set, go! Just whisper it, you're not allowed to stop.
Hindi natin kung ano sasabihin.
Sige, doon pa naman.
Kaya niya yan, guys! Mali yun na!
Sorry?
You came like a sunrise.
Yes, you came like a sunrise.
Alright.
The phrase is, you came like a sunrise.
Ang dali naman nun. Ano
You
yung sabi
came
mo,
like
guys?
a sunrise.
Ang ibig niya sabihin, mali, correct, mali.
Kaya na to ah, final na. Final na to. Gano'n naharap. Final na to ah. Pinalitan din eh. Oo nga.
Okay.
Kamaingay.
Baka mali yung nagsulat.
Not yet. Not yet. Yeah? Yeah? Okay. Ready, get set, go.
Nasa mo ng konti.
Dapat siya ang dulo eh. Dapat siya ang dulo.
Nakalimutan mo na!
Ito na yata! Home is where my baby is.
Sorry?
Home is where my baby is.
Hindi ko malaw! Hindi ko malaw!
1 point for the girls.
Hindi ko malaw yun! Yan, boses mo. Nasaan mo?
Galit kayo!
Galingan mo! Partida! Baka hindi sila mag-score eh. Ay, nakasama na! Okay lang.
You can change.
You can change.
Balik na kayo!
I'm not changing. Sometimes I'm not changing.
Alright, ready, get set, go.
Lakas ang boss mo.
Patay.
Patay gotong.
Uy, okay. Oh, taga. Oh, let's go. Ano?
Ano?
Magaling ni Abrid ah! Mali!
Sabi ano? The sweetest part of destiny daw.
No!
May ulang.
May ulang.
Ulit po, Russell.
Yeah, let's go!
The sweetest little part of destiny.
Yeah! Yes!
Oh, I told you.
Okay, ready, get set, go.
Kapag tumalik pa yung sinabi.
Dream big, a little star.
May ko lang.
Oh, no!
May ko lang na isa.
Ay, kulang ba? Isa.
Ay, sabi ko. Hindi. May ko lang. May kulang.
Dream big, a little star.
Kulang pa.
Dream big or little star.
Walang hour! Walang hour!
Ready, get set, go.
Madali lang yan, ang bilis.
Hindi ko yung patigil.
Thank you for choosing me.
Yes, for choosing me.
Galing ah!
Mga alas 12 pa ba yan?
Pagod na, pagod.
Hi.
Hoy! Hooray!
Okay, ready, get set, go.
For your handsome little man. Hooray for your handsome little man.
Mali yung pagkasabi niya first word.
3 points. 2 points.
Hindi pa. Wala pa. Ay, ang daya.
Yeah?
Wait lang.
Ready, get set, go.
Sino mo nanalo? Sino sa tingin nila kaya?
Nakinig ka sa amin eh.
Your first breath took ours away.
Yes.
Ganyan talaga yan.
Yes. 3 points and 3 points. Okay. Ready, get set, go.
Uy, nadaya! Nadaya!
My new road starts with you.
All right, ready, get set, go.
What color is this? That one doesn't work. Brown and green.
Tumawi, pero wait lang. I feel beautiful inside you.
Wala nga si Mama!
Our favorite reason is to sleep. Oh, our favorite.
Ang daya ko na dito!
Tiebreaker. I got only one left. Okay, tiebreaker. Face on the wall. This will be the last and final tiebreaker. Whoever wins this will be the one who wins this game. Okay, ready, get set, go.
Welcome my boy to the family.
I'm a back-to-back champion.
I feel beautiful inside.